A legal loophole could vacate late real estate heir Robert Durst murder conviction in California. The 78-year-old millionaire and convicted murderer died in a California hospital on Monday. Durst recently began serving a life sentence for murdering his longtime friend Susan Bierman in 2000. However, prior to his death, Durst appealed that conviction. Under California law, the state appeals court can dismiss an appeal if a person dies before their case is heard. In turn, the court would set aside Mr. Durst's September conviction. At the time of death, Durst was also facing charges in New York related to the 1982 disappearance of his wife, Kathie Durst. Joining us now for more on all of it is Joseph Becerra. He is a retired investigator with the New York State Police and was behind the original reopening of the investigation into Kathie Durst's disappearance. Investigator, you spent roughly 20 years investigating Robert Durst. So first question, what is your reaction to his passing, although it was at the age of 78, and what does his death mean for you personally after 20 years of work on this case?
Well, I first have to say the death of Robert Durst is kind of bittersweet. I really wanted closure for Kathie's family, and we were hoping ultimately we would be able to find out where she is, just so we could have closure for the family.
And bittersweet, I can understand why after all that time invested. How did you first get involved with the case?
I reopened the case in the fall of 1999 when I received a tip on an unrelated investigation. This person wanted to give me information that he stated was looking for leniency in his case, but he said that this woman was murdered in her home in South Salem back in 1982. At the time, I was in high school, never even heard of Durst, and kind of piqued my interest, and I started looking into this missing person case.
And you recently testified in Robert Durst's murder trial in which he was convicted for killing Susan Bierman. And we also heard from Kathie Durst's family during the sentencing hearing. How much did that conviction in particular mean to you?
I mean, it meant a lot because the jury found that he was responsible for Kathie's death. So I was hoping at that point that would bring some closure to the family. We did indict him here in Westchester County for the murder of Kathie, and we were hoping it would proceed and we'd get to bring him back to New York to face trial.
Yeah. Well, I mean, what are your biggest frustrations for in not being able to see that case all the way through?
It's extremely frustrating. I mean, over 20 years of working on the case. The reason I did open it in the beginning was to bring closure to Kathie's family. So in a way, I feel like I let them down in some ways. But hopefully they'll have satisfaction in knowing he was convicted in California, being responsible for Kathie's death.
With the situation being what it is, do you think we will ever get an answer to what really happened to Kathie?
At this point, I don't know. I'm an optimist. I'm hoping somebody he told or confided in someone somewhere down the line where she is. That person may have been Susan Bierman, and unfortunately, we never got the chance to find that out.
Yeah. In the meantime, he does die as a convicted murderer. Investigator Joe Becerra, thank you very much for your time and expertise.
Thank you very much.